him to me and Muslim, look at the description of your Rasul. And for some, this will be the first time you hear what your Prophet looked like. I saw a man of striking appearance, ظاهر الوضاهة أبلج الوجه, radiant face, حسن الخلق, beautifully created, لم تعبه الثجلة, his belly wasn't protruding, ولم تذربه الثعلة, nor was his head disproportionate and small, وسيم قسيم, proportionate and delicate, finely made a specimen of a creation. في عينيه دعج, and his eyes there was contrast. The dark was immensely dark, white was exactly white. وفي أشفاره وطف, and his eyelashes were long. وفي صوته سحل, and his voice was a natural echo. وفي عنقه سدح, and his neck was elegantly long. وفي لحيته كثاثة, and his beard was full and thick. Azaj Aqran, his eyes broad were earth, but the Abanat joint, it was separated. In Samat fa'alayhi al-waqar, when he was silent, dignity covered him. وَإِن تَكَلَّمَ سَمَاهُ عَلَاهُ الْبَهَا, when he was spoke, it was audible and clear, almost commanding in our taking. أجمل الناس وأبهاهم من بعيد, from afar, the most striking and outstanding in appearance. وأحسنهم وأجملهم من قريب, and when he came near, the best of them and the most handsome of them in closeness. حلو المنطق, so such an exalted and sweet level of logic, and when he used to say, it was so coherently logical, it was smooth to easy to understand. فصل لا نزر ولا حزن, he was to the point, not excessive, not too short. كأن منطقه خرزات نظم يتحدر, his logic, his utterance, what like jewels coming out of a necklace, calculated, polished, one after the other, it would flow magically. إذ قال سمعوا لقوله, and when he used to say something, they used to hearken, and when he used to say, وإن أمر تباده إلى أمره, and when he commanded, they used to complete, to fulfill the command. This is Muhammad Rasulullah. This is Muhammad Rasulullah.